Hey guys, Mark and Julie hanging with the Hyatts, day 2 in the UP. We're headed to Trout Lake today. It's a little overcast, a little cooler. Feels perfect outside. Here we are on our trailhead starting Trail 8. Here we are, still on Trail 8. This is a very pretty section, I thought, of the trail system. Last year we was up here, a little bear ran across the trail in front of us. So now we're on the ATV trail, the North Country Trail. It is sprinkling a little, but it's perfect because it's keeping the dust down some. We made it to Trout Lake. We had lunch at the little diner in town. And there's a nice little campground right here. I never knew this was here, actually, on Trout Lake. It's really beautiful. We've made it back to Brimley, and now we're going down this trail to a scenic overlook. Here's the overlook. It's beautiful. Now we're going to the Whitefish Bay Point Iroquois Lighthouse. Hey guys, and now we got a campfire. Perfect ending to the perfect day. Thanks for watching. See you on the trails.